Hey, Sharon, your guitar guide, helping you find your sound. And if you want to learn this John Prine song, stick around, because that's coming up. If you want to get the complete tab for this, check the link in the description. It's the first link. Alright, so the beginning of this song starts out with the E chord, and it's down here. And the way you can think of it is playing this C chord, like this here, and just moving it up to where your first finger is on the 5th fret. And it starts out picking the E string, 5, 4, 2, 5, 4, 5. Does that 4 times. Then just move 1 fret down. Keep your fingers the same, just slide down. It's the same strings. So you can do that twice, and then you're going to move back to the first chord. And then it ends on E, and you can either just pick the E string, or you can come down here and strum the E. And then there's a walkup to the A, which is open E, 2, open A string. Get to the A, you're going to pick the which would be 5, 4, 3, 2, 4, 3, 4. 5, 4, 3, 2, 4, 3, 4. After that, it goes to E. So he's picking 2 notes, the E and the D, which is actually E because the 3rd finger is on the E note. So and we're going to do a walk up to B7. To do that is open A string, 1, 2, and then so the walkup is 0, 1, 2, then it's 4, 3, 2, 4, 3, 4. and then it goes back to the A. That's a lot of arpeggiating the chords. So if you're a beginner, you could just strum it. It's going to start out with the A. What we want to do there is pick the A string and then strum 1, 2, 3, 4. Go to the E. When you're playing the E, you're going to pick the E string, strum, A string, strum. So it's A, E, A, E. And then it's the walkup to B. You're going to pick when you're playing the B7, you're going to pick the A string. Back to E. The walkup to A is open E, 2, A, open, A, E, B7, E. And the end of it is an E, and it's picking, hammering on the G string at the first fret. And then picking the high E string. If you like this kind of video, can you give me a thumbs up? Leave me a comment. That helps me out. Lets YouTube know that they can share the video, and then more people just like yourself will get to see the video. Thanks.